Hello YouTube, this is GT at the end, and I'm going to make a shooting review of the Ruger 1022. Alright, so I'm going to put 11 rounds downrange, and I have an orange Nike box way down there. I don't even know if you guys will even be able to see it. Way down there. Right over there. There, so I have no scope on this. I'm just going to try and hit it with just plain iron sights. So, if I miss, that's okay. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, it might be kind of loud, so right now you might want to turn down your volume, alright? Oh crap, there's a hornet around me. The shells are flying everywhere. I don't even know if we're hitting it. And we're out. So, let me put the gun down. Put it on safety. And let me run really fast and go get the box so you guys can see it. Actually, I just, oh crap, this, ow! There was shells all on there. Alright, so we're gonna run, so it's probably gonna be blurry. Oh, that's disappointing. I don't see anything. Alright, so the gun was shooting hot. That's all the bullet holes right there. Alright, well this is what we were shooting at. Didn't even hit it once. That's good. We were shooting from way up there. Alright, well thanks for watching. That was the shooting test of the Ruger 1022. Comment, rate, subscribe, see you.